The great white wilderness is empty, but not for long. Bizarrely, it's now that the emperor penguins arrive, just as all the other penguins have left. These giants are now at their heaviest. They've been feeding at sea all summer and can weigh 40 kilos. From the edge of the sea ice, they head towards their colony. But an obstacle course of jumbled ice blocks stands in their way. The males are particularly fat at this time of year. This will be crucial for their survival in the months ahead, but it doesn't make squeezing through narrow gaps any easier. With the worst behind them, they start a 20-mile march into the freezer to breed, the only animals to do so. By tobogganing, they can travel at twice their walking speed, and it takes the weight off tired feet. Their destination is the thicker ice closer to shore, which will stay solid long enough for them to safely rear their chicks throughout the months to come.